Here are the top 4 signs that maybe you're ready for an OTC, over-the-counter hearing device.
Over-the-counter hearing aids are kind of a big deal, and I'd say the number one sign that an over-the-counter hearing aid is for you is that you perceive that you have a mild hearing loss. Over-the-counter hearing aids are designed to kind of be for beginners.
Yep.
Kind of be for people that have just a little bit of hearing loss, some mild hearing loss.
Right.
So if you feel like maybe your hearing loss isn't real significant, but it's relatively mild, that's kind of what over-the-counter is designed for.
Yeah. Another reason why over-the-counter could be a great fit is it's really easy to acquire or to grab one of these. You can go into Best Buy, you can go into professional clinics like ours. You can find them in many, in fact, you can buy them on the internet. And so another reason why maybe this might be right for you is it's just easy to grab one and to try it. You might be thinking, do I need a hearing aid? And before you grab one, maybe you just grab one of these over the counter. You can usually try it for a little while and return it if you don't like it. Pretty easy to do, right?
Easy to get. I'd say the third sign that an over-the-counter hearing aid might be for you is that you're really tech savvy. You're comfortable with smartphones, you're comfortable with technology, you're comfortable getting a device off the shelf. You know, it's easy to get, right?
So easy.
But also, you're comfortable doing it yourself. You're comfortable doing a little online hearing test or doing a little exam on your phone. You're comfortable maybe programming it a little bit to yourself. So you got to be pretty comfortable with technology, pretty tech savvy for this to be for you.
And you know, maybe number 4 would be that you just want to do it yourself. I don't want the doctor involved. I don't need to see a nurse or any kind of I don't even want to leave my house, you know? So they're pretty easy. Once you have one, you can actually take your little hearing test in a quiet room, put it in your ear, and try to do your best with that hearing test, and then try it out. I mean, you don't need a doctor. You don't need anyone to kind of help you. It's pretty simple. And so those might be 4 signs that could maybe lead and help you decide, you know what, maybe I want to try this first. Kind of like training wheels before I need something that's a little more permanent, something that a little more savvy. You know, really simple devices to use. So
yeah, I agree. You know, prescription hearing aids are now the types of hearing aids that are programmed to an individual specifically, programmed by a doctor, usually programmed specific to an individual's hearing loss. But that's not what over-the-counter is. So, you know, I think that if you're the type of person you think your hearing loss is mild, you just want something easily accessible. Maybe, you know, you're really tech savvy and you don't want any help with it, OTC might be for you.
Yeah, we love this OTC discussion. And so if you do feel like you want to talk to more of a professional about what are the advantages and you want more information, come and see us. We love to talk about the differences between prescription hearing devices and the OTC models that are readily accessible to the public. I mean, you can get them just about anywhere. So